Welcome to the introduction to creating scatterplots in SAS. SAS is a useful tool for creating scatterplots, and there are two ways to do it. I'll show you both ways, and you can decide which one is more visually appealing for you. For most people, the second one is the best way to do this. I've already imported some data into SAS. If you need to know how to do that, go back and look at Introduction to Importing Data into SAS video, and that will show you how to import the data in. Okay, so what I want to do is create a scatter plot. So I'm going to do proc plot. That is the procedure that will create a scatter plot. The data that I have is forest. Okay. Make sure you keep your semicolons at the end. Okay. Then I'm going to type in plot. Then I have to tell it which variables I want to plot. In this case, I want to plot height, ht, by dbh, which is diameter breast height. This is for a group of trees. We want to relate their height to how wide they are, or the trunk is, at 4 feet off the ground. Type in run, and we can run this simply by using the little run man up here that will submit the statement, and we can look at the output. Okay. Notice what SAS does here in the output window. It uses letters to create the picture. Now, for many people, this is very annoying. However, you can see a general pattern in this data. However, it's not the most visually appealing. So this is the method that we really won't want to use. However, you can use it, and there's nothing wrong with it. So what we can do is we can go back to the editor and change one thing. Instead of using proc plot, use proc gplot. So change the plot and the proc plot statement to gplot. Now, if I simply run this code, I get a new window that comes up. It's a graphics window. That's what the G stands for. And notice that the picture is much more visually appealing. It puts little crosses or plus signs where the observations would fall. This is your x-axis, this is your y-axis, and we can see that there is a relationship between the diameter breast height, or the diameter, breast height, and the height of the tree. So we need to be able to describe this relationship, and a scatter plot helps us to describe this relationship. This has been the Introduction to Creating Scatterplots in SAS tutorial. If you have any other questions, please ask or watch this video again.